Do you want to create a landing page that converts visitors? Sometimes all you need is one high converting landing page to bring in the big bucks. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I am going to share with you the best landing page builders. Number 1. OptimizePress is an advanced marketing WordPress plugin that can be used to create professional landing pages, sales funnels, membership websites, online courses, event pages and more. Here are some key features of OptimizePress. Simple drag and drop page creation of sales page and landing pages, membership sites and payroll creation, opt-in forms and matrices, responsive design that works well. Standard WordPress theme and plugin support. Number 2. Landingi platform comes with an incredible intuitive drag and drop editor where you can design beautiful landing pages, mobile pages and sales funnel effortlessly. With 300 plus ready to use templates tailored to suit various industries and serve marketing campaign goals, the creation process of high converting landing page becomes time saving and smooth. Here are some key features of Landingi. Over 200 templates, thousands of royalty-free stock images, drag and drop creator, cloud hosting, integration with third-party apps, Forge SSL, lead inbox, fully customizable mobile view. The third one is Lander. Lander is a landing page building software that enables internet marketers to quickly build, customize and publish pages for marketing campaigns. Choose from over 60 templates to build your very own template for your needs. Whether you are marketing for an e-commerce store, lead generation, webinars, ebooks or email marketing, they have got a template for you. Here are some key features of Lander. Live preview, layouts and templates, change title typography, social widgets, embed HTML elements, confirmation pages, email integration and so on. Fourth, InstaPage. InstaPage is the leading landing page builder platform. It helps digital marketers optimize their advertising conversion and return on ad spend (ROAS) by delivering hyper-relevant ad-to-page experience at a scale previously thought impossible. InstaPage provides a unified environment for ad mapping, scalable page creation, experimentation, personalization and analytics to create, optimize and personalize landing page experiences as quickly as your ads. Here are all the key features of the InstaPage. You get a lot of InstaPage templates, the drag and drop landing page editor, there are a lot of customizable options, Insta blogs, landing page widgets, mobile friendly and page designs. The fifth one is Unbounce. Unbounce helps you to convert more of your visitors into leads, sales and customers using their drag and drop builder. You can create and publish your own landing pages without needing a developer to code them. Get conversion intelligence insights and enhance the intuition and skills you already have to ensure the best campaign performance every time. Here are some key features of Unbounce. Work order management, customer database, scheduling, contract management, dispatch management, quote estimates, technical management and so on. Sixth one is Wishbone. Wishbone's marketing automation platform makes it easy and affordable to nurture your website's visitors and leads into sales. They enable you to automatically score and segment leads into lists based on activity and personal details, send personalized emails based on behavior and much more. Here are some key features of Wishbone: marketing automation, marketing executive, call tracking, online advertisement, forms, social promotions, cart abandonment, email marketing, etc. The seventh is again yet very powerful and famous tool. LeadPages is one of the most popular landing page builder for small and medium-sized businesses, calling itself the most effective, affordable way for small businesses to conduct with an audience, collect leads and close sales. LeadPage promises to help you build landing pages, pop-ups and alert bars effortlessly. Here are the key features of LeadPages. They have drag and drop functionality, they give you tons of templates, they have advanced customization options, you also get content library, A/B testing features are available, mobile responsiveness, web analytics, e-commerce integration. So these are the top 7 landing page builders. Now it's totally depend on you which one you want to choose. If you have any suggestions, have some doubts related to these landing page builders, feel free to comment and I'll answer those. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye bye.